Morning, friends!
Morning! So, we're going to try and do some bowling today.
Yeah, we're here in the beautiful city of Manchester. It's a Sunday morning, it's very, very quiet today, isn't it? Which is nice.
Early as usual.
Yeah. So, so we're going to go to this All-Star Lanes. There's a bar in here. We have been in here before, haven't we, just for desserts?
Yeah, we've never bowled. Not bowled for years, actually, so this is going to be really interesting.
I have.
Oh, right, okay.
This might be one thing that I'm actually better at than Anthony for a change. Maybe. So yeah, let's go and see what's inside. We're going to get the Bye Bye Miss American Pie, which is apple sauce, vanilla ice cream, caramel syrup, biscuit, milk and chantilly cream without the vodka because it's only 11:10 in the morning, and that'll be £5.50. And then we're also going to get the chocolate and coconut, which is coconut, chocolate ice cream, caramel milk, chantilly cream, chocolate sauce and coconut shavings without the rum, which is also £5.50.
Wow.
Oh, do I get another go?
Gutter ball. Nope. Zero.
I do get another go.
Oh, do you? What now? Oh yeah, okay. Go on then. That was better.
Yay!
7.
Right, he's off again. It's when you try and throw it too hard.
I don't think we're supposed to throw it.
Well, but it's when it, yeah.
Supposed to roll it, okay. Maybe we should try heavier balls.
I can't.
You can't?
That's very dainty. Look how small my wrists are.
Okay. I think I'm going to try a heavier ball next time. Yeah, 1. Still 1 more than me.
Okay, so it's Anthony on go number 2. Is he trying a heavy ball? He's trying a heavy ball this time? Okay.
I'm just trying to play everything else other than my own ability. Ready?
Yeah.
I feel like I can throw it.
Yeah, I do as well, yeah.
It's got a bit of a spin on it, so if I move over, hopefully I'll hit something. It's easy.
It's better. Hey! I thought it was good that you had a spin. I thought that was what people aim to do.
Not if it's spinning into the gutter.
Oh.
Yeah, 1 point. Well done. So what did you do? Share your tip.
Do you know what I did? I looked at the floor. I looked at the ground with the pins. So about see where the black triangles are.
Yeah.
I looked in the middle there as I let go. I don't know whether that helps or not.
Okay.
But we'll see on the next go.
It'll just snap in the middle.
I had to run down. Yes. Ah, well done.
one.
Do you know what though?
What?
That was because I might it. Yeah.
Not really close then.
Go Anthony, go. Not doing bad though, he's winning. Yes.
That's the one that I needed to get.
Yeah, I was just getting you that last one, that's what it was. Take the run up.
Take a run up? Come on then. I wouldn't, but yeah. Okay, at least we know now not to do that.
And this is your chance now to overtake me.
Just trying to give him more pressure.
Yeah. Oh, not bad. It's not bad. Very good at getting those ones that are just on the side.
What was that for the time I needed to get one on the side?
You know what? I really love bowling. They don't coming up.
Quiet.
So, our drinks have arrived. This is the Bye Bye Miss American Pie one, milkshake, and then this is the coconut and chocolate one. Looks yummy. How did you do? Oh yes, well done. You'll prefer this.
Which one's that?
Very chocolatey. It's the chocolate and coconut one.
Oh.
Try this one.
Yeah.
That's really nice as well. It's got a real appley taste to it.
And real apples.
Really well. What's happened?
Pressure.
It's the pressure, yeah. Better.
Yeah.
Oh. I think Anthony may be beating me now, actually.
Yeah.
43 to 40. Oh, he's catching me up. So, Anthony's on 62. Oh, here we go. I think Anthony's just overtaken me.
No, not.
Yeah.
You got strike
I know, but I was on 61. Yeah, look, you're beating me. 65, 61. Stop it. I have the smallest feet in the world. Well, not in the world. Well, I've basically got the size of the feet of children. So they gave me shoes with Velcro on them. If you look at Anthony's shoes, they're laces. Mine have got Velcro on them. They did give me a pair of lacy ones first in a size 4, but they were too big. So I had to go with a size down with the Velcro. Okay, so this is Anthony's last go. So, lots of distraction, that's what we need. do that to you. I might sing. La! Oh no! Oh.
I have played bowling many times.
So this is the main bowling area. Okay. And then through just down these stairs here, there's a little private bowling area which you can hire. So it's just like 2 lanes. So if you're looking to have like a birthday maybe, and have some friends with some seats, and a good old vintage American fridge there. So they also have a private room as well, which I might just go and have a little look in. So it's got its own little bar area. And there's 2 private lanes in here as well. It's nice and big. So if you were having like a big party, maybe like a birthday party and you wanted to hire out the room, then you could. I'll find out how much that is going to cost, and we'll let you know. And you've got some private bathrooms here as well, and places to put your shoes. That's awesome. So this is the restaurant that's part of All Star Lanes. They do a breakfast, so you can have like a breakfast or a brunch, and then it's like an all-American kind of dining experience. So like chicken and waffles and those types of things.
So that was our visit to All Star Lanes.
It was so good, and the people are so nice and friendly, aren't they?
Yeah.
And I mean, it is still, what time is it? 12 o'clock. It's literally just 12 o'clock now. So we went in just after 11, did we?
It was literally
11 o'clock.
Yeah,
so we've been in there an hour. Yeah, fantastic. We did find out that you have to contact them if you want to hire out the jungle room, which is like the private room with the bar and everything. You have to contact them, and there's all different prices depending on what you want. So you could have like a kids party, or you could have like an adult party, and you can have like canapes and things like that. So everything's like a different price basically. If you give them a call, then they'll send you the information on the jungle room. Yeah, like it was good fun, wasn't it? There wasn't a cocktail. Definitely wasn't a cocktail.
Well, we could have got a cocktail.
We could have got a cocktail. You could have put a shot in your milkshake if you wanted to, but we chose not to. Because obviously it's too early in the day. So cost-wise, it came to about £28, and we had 1 game, and it was £8 per person.
Yep.
That varies. I think it's about £10 to £12 depending on what time of the day that you come book. Because we came off peak, it was £8. You need to check the website to see the change in prices. And then we got the two milkshakes on top of that, so it came to £28. But it's been a nice morning, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been really good, and it was really quiet as well.
Yes.
Which is always a bonus.
Yeah, absolutely. Like if you want to come when there's nobody here.
Yeah, you probably find that everything we do, we're
always
always going to be like,
quiet.
we're really early because we want to avoid the crowds.
But yeah, so absolutely. So it's been great. We'll definitely come back again, won't we? Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.